Hello friends, welcome back to Number Fun with Friends. Today, we're going on an exciting adventure into the world of addition. Are you ready to add some fun? Adding is like putting things together. Let's start with some simple additions. Let's add apples. If we have one apple and add one more, how many do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 2 apples. Now it's your turn. Can you find two things to add together? What if we add 2 and 2? Let's see. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Let's add with actions now. If you take 2 jumps and then 3 more jumps, how many jumps did you do? Let's do it together. 2 jumps plus 3 jumps equals to 5 jumps. Imagine you have 2 balloons and you get 3 more at a party. How many balloons do you have now? Let's add them up. 5 balloons. Great job adding today. We added apples, numbers, jumps, and even balloons in our story. Remember, addition is just putting things together. You're becoming great at adding. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be an addition expert. Join us next time on Number Fun with Friends for more number fun. Bye for now.